All right, welcome back. We've had rain and snow around this morning. Started as rain for the metro area, but we have flipped over to snow. We'll zoom in on Storm Tracker. The focus through the next couple hours is going to be the eastern half of Indiana, and our precipitation description here by Storm Tracker is actually pretty accurate. Snow being reported in Shelbyville, areas south of Shelbyville, more of a rain. And then north and east of the metro area, that is where we could still get some slushy accumulations. It's not going to amount to much. Not thinking much with accumulation. Live look at our zoo camera. It's tough to see there, but if you look closely, we are snowing 33 degrees. Winds out of the south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Temperatures has been our key factor this morning. We started out in the lower 40s at midnight. It's a reason why we had all rain, and then our temperatures have just crept down. And now with most of us around the freezing mark flipping over to that snow. But look, it is short-lived because Futurecast in the next couple hours, fast forward to 9 o'clock, most in the eastern half of the state, and basically we're done statewide by the midday hour. As we go through the afternoon, still wouldn't rule out a couple flurries here, but otherwise cloudy skies will be remaining through the afternoon and evening hours. Today, I mentioned it, our high temperatures were already reached. We're just hovering in the mid-30s next couple hours. Precipitation chances dropping off quickly. Cloudy skies, temperatures in the 20s through the evening. Tonight, keep in mind for tonight with the rainfall, generally we had under 1/4 of an inch, and then yesterday's snow melt. May get some icy spots refreezing to our roads, 16 with our low for tonight. And then into tomorrow, wouldn't rule out some flurries, shouldn't be too widespread for tomorrow. Focus will be morning, midday hours. Skies start to clear out as we get into Sunday night. But tomorrow's forecast, temperatures start to struggle. Near the 20-degree mark for high, wind chill values below zero in the afternoon. An extreme cold watch was issued here for Monday morning here in central Indiana and northern Indiana. This is the first time we've had an extreme cold watch. What is that? You may be familiar with wind chill watch, wind chill warning, wind chill advisory. Those were replaced. So from here, we could have an extreme cold warning or cold weather advisory issued. A quick preview of some of the wind chill values to expect Monday morning. Generally 10 below to 20 below. Even some isolated spots could get as cold as 25 below. What's interesting here as our winter storm goes by, another one's going to be developing to our south. While we're dealing with just the cold air, the Gulf states like Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, going to have a winter storm mid to late week, or middle of the week, I should say. 7-day forecast, MLK Day is going to be especially cold. 3 below with our low. Winds back off Monday night. Even though we're expected to have cold temperatures Tuesday morning, the winds won't be as strong. Chance of snow Thursday and Friday with temperatures climbing back closer to the freezing mark.
Stay ahead of the next winter storm. Ashley Brown and Storm Track 8 on Wish TV.